Imagine spending $500 on a user-generated content creator. You launch the ad on Meta or TikTok, and it completely flops. Your cost per acquisition is through the roof. Ad fatigue is a very real problem, and the only way to beat it is with pure volume. You need to test dozens of hooks, visual angles, and creative styles every single week. But if you pick the wrong AI tool, your brand is going to look like a cheap robotic scam. So in this video, we're diving into the showdown between Creatify and Synthesia to see which AI video tool is actually built for e-commerce advertising. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsker. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to pump out high converting video ads without the massive production costs or the awkward, stiff AI avatars. The landscape. Why e-commerce ads are broken today. E-commerce advertising has completely flipped on its head over the last few years. Modern ad platforms actively punish content that looks like a traditional advertisement. Users want raw, unfiltered content. Think of traditional studio ads like walking into a high-end luxury car dealership. That is exactly what Synthesia is designed for. Now think of modern social media ads like a bustling, crowded street market. That fast, loud, native environment is what Creatify is built for. The problem is that a lot of brand owners confuse the two environments. They see the label AI video generator and assume that the tools are all the exact same. Suddenly they have an incredibly formal news anchor in a blazer trying to sell a trendy skincare serum or a drop-shipped dog toy. The comment section immediately roasts them for using AI, but the real secret to scaling a direct-to-consumer brand today is aggressive creative testing. Doing this with human actors is a logistical nightmare. Doing it with the right AI tools is a weekend project. So, how do we actually choose the right platform? Let's break down the process step by step to see where these two platforms shine and where they completely fall apart. Step 1, the setup and speed to first draft. So our goal here is simple. We need to get from a blank computer screen to a functional, ready to publish video draft as fast as humanly possible. All right, let's start by looking at Synthesia. When you log into Synthesia, you're greeted with a very clean, professional dashboard. You click Create Video, and you're immediately presented with a blank canvas. It feels a lot like opening a new presentation in PowerPoint. You have to manually select your avatar from the library. You have to manually type or paste your script into the text box at the bottom. You have to upload your own product photos, remove the backgrounds yourself, and position them on screen. It's a highly manual, step-by-step building process. All right, and here we are inside of the dashboard, and we'll start from a blank canvas here. So again, we can go ahead and just edit our script down below here. We can easily add or switch avatars to find one that best matches our use case, and we can select a voice as well as generate our video. So we've got the script down here. Again, this is where you can go ahead and start typing things in. And here we can select from different avatars. So this is Alex, red shirt. We could switch to this one here, and we just added in another avatar. Again, these avatars are very realistic looking, again, just a little corporate in my opinion. Now let's look at Creatify. The workflow here is entirely different. When you open Creatify, the first thing it asks for is a URL. You just drop the link to your Shopify product page or your Amazon listing right into the search bar. The software then acts like a search engine crawler. It automatically scans your sales page, it rips the product photos, it reads your product descriptions, it identifies the core benefits, and within seconds, it generates an entire video project for you and writes a draft script based on what it read on your website. All right, and we can get started just by pasting in a URL right here. So let's go ahead and do that now for this sunscreen that I found. All right, and just like that, it's gone ahead and scraped the page for us. So this was the link to the URL that I copied, and over here we can see it brought in the name of the product, the product description, as well as all of this media here. So I'll go ahead and just select all of this and click next. And now we've got a couple video settings to choose from. We can go ahead and choose the aspect ratio, the duration, as well as a target audience. Let's select this prompt here, the sensitive skin individuals, and click next. Okay, so now it's gonna go ahead and generate a script for us. So it gives you 4 different options to start with. You can also go ahead and paste in your own. And then you can also select a tone. So maybe you want a super casual tone, a Gen Z tone, or an inspiring tone. Let's go super casual tone for this sensitive skin win. And then you can also go ahead and make changes to the script directly here. So you can just type in anything you want right there. You can add or remove things there. So let's go ahead and click next. And now we can go ahead and select from different avatars. So these are the people who are going to be presenting this ad. So we go ahead and scroll through here. We can search for something specific, or we can go ahead and use AI Smart Match. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna go ahead and select 2 different creators for us. So let's go ahead and click next now. All right, so it went ahead and generated our different ads here with 2 different avatars. So once you find one that you're happy with, you can go ahead and render that video out by either just selecting render next to it, or you can go ahead and select multiple and render them all at the same time. Now, for example, this first one, maybe you wanna change the music. We can go to the editor, and in here, I can go ahead and click on the music here and change it with something else.
Hey sensitive skin girlies, this SPF 35 primer has 0 white cast.
So that one's still maybe not it. It's maybe a little too upbeat, a little jazzy, but that's the beauty of Creatify. You can quickly get, from a blank screen to a working draft and come in here and change it.
Girlies, this SPF 35 primer has 0 white cast, 0 green.
And that might be the winner. So a mistake I see all the time is overcomplicating the first draft. If your goal is high volume e-commerce testing, you do not have hours to spend on one draft. Creatify's URL scraping feature completely eliminates that friction, getting you to a starting point in about 30 seconds. Synthesia requires you to act as the director, the set designer, and the scriptwriter before you even get to see a draft. Step 2, the AR avatar vibe check. We need to select a digital face that actually resonates with a scrolling consumer. The avatar needs to build trust without triggering the "this is an ad" alarm in the viewer's brain. Synthesia has some of the most realistic AI avatars on the entire market. The lip syncing is incredibly accurate. The micro expressions are getting better every single month. But here's the catch. They look like corporate professionals. They're standing straight up, looking directly into a high quality camera lens, usually wearing business casual clothing. They look perfectly suited to deliver a quarterly earnings report or hold an internal human resources training video. So to go ahead and get started, we can go ahead and click on create right up here. And then from here, we can either start from blank, import a PowerPoint, or we can go ahead and select something from here. So again, as you can see, it's very corporate feeling right off the bat. Now, taking a look at some of their avatars, they look very realistic, but again, very corporate.
Oh, hey there. We're happy to see that you're interested in our product. Let me tell you more about it. Our team is here to support you to meet your business needs. Achieve 15% growth, triple your productivity, and join over 7 million satisfied users with our product.
This product has been essential to the success of our company. We highly recommend to explore this opportunity.
Proud to partner with industry leaders, see our valued customers, and join our worldwide community.
So as you can see, it's very high quality, but it's very corporate. So it doesn't scream TikTok ads or e-commerce ads by any means. Creatify takes the exact opposite approach. Their avatars are deliberately designed to look like everyday social media users. All right, now let's go ahead and look at another way to create videos in Creatify. So we can go to the avatar video here and we can give it a specific script. We'll go ahead and just put in a sample script here for a back brace product. Now what we can do here, we can go ahead and select from the avatar library. Now these all look really good, but they look a lot more realistic, a lot more casual when compared to Synthesia, which if you're selling direct to consumer products is what you want. So let's go ahead and find someone here who can talk about their back brace, maybe Gregory. We'll click use avatar and let's go ahead and generate this video.
If you sit at a desk all day, you are probably messing up your back way more than you think. I didn't even realize how bad mine got until this week. Like it actually started hurting to sit normally. So I tried this back brace I kept saying, and yeah, I kind of get the hype now. It basically pulls your shoulders back so you stop slouching without thinking about it. I've just been wearing it while I'm walking and it's made a huge difference already. Not saying it's magic or anything, but it definitely helped me. I'll link it if you want to check it out.
Now, full disclosure, neither of these tools are going to completely fool a professional video editor, but casual scrollers are not professional video editors. A common trap is picking an avatar purely based on how high quality it looks. Synthesia objectively has higher fidelity rendering, but a sharp high fidelity corporate avatar will get skipped on TikTok every single time. Creatify's avatars might look slightly less polished, but that lack of polish is exactly why they work. They look native to the platform. Step 3, scripting and the power of the hook. So we need words that actually sell. The first 3 seconds of your video dictate whether the viewer stays or leaves. In Synthesia, you are entirely on your own for the copywriting. It'll only say exactly what you type into the box. You need to be a skilled direct response copywriter to get a good return on investment out of Synthesia. Creatify operates more like an AI marketing assistant. It has a built-in AI script generation tool that is specifically trained on modern social media ad structures. You can click a button and it'll generate 10 different variations of a script. It actively writes the hooks designed to stop the scroll, using the exact pacing that works on Meta and TikTok. Most people mess this up by blindly accepting the first AI-generated script that they see. So never just hit publish on the first draft. You need to read the script out loud. If it sounds like a robot wrote it, then change the wording. Pricing breakdown. Creatify versus Synthesia. Synthesia runs on a pretty traditional subscription model, but there's a catch. It's heavily tied to how many minutes of video you can generate. Here's what that looks like. Free plan. Very limited, basically just for testing. Then there's a starter plan at about $29 per month or around $18 per month billed yearly. This gives you roughly 10 minutes of video per month. Then there's a creator plan at about $89 per month or $64 per month billed annually. This bumps you up to 30 minutes of video per month. And then there's enterprise with custom pricing with unlimited video generation. Now, here's the important part. Synthesia charges based on video duration, not number of videos. So if you're making 30-second ads, that sounds fine until you realize 30 minutes is about 60 short ads per month max. And that's assuming you don't redo anything. No retakes, no iterations, no testing different hooks. And if you want a custom avatar, that can cost around $1,000 per year as an add-on. So while it looks affordable up front, it can get tight really fast if you're trying to scale ad creatives. Creatify flips the model completely. Instead of charging you based on video minutes, it runs on a credit-based system designed for high volume output. So take a look at their pricing. They have the starter plan, which starts at $33 per month and gives you about 20 videos per month or 100 credits. Then there is the Pro plan, which is $49 per month, and this is based on the annual pricing, and that gives you about 2,400 credits per year or 200 credits per month. Now, this one can also be scaled up, so as you can see, first things first, you're gonna save 50% on the annual plan, which is pretty huge. But with this plan, you can go ahead and select how many credits per year you need. So maybe you need more than the, initial 2,400. You can go ahead and move up from there. Now, the key difference here is how the credits are used. You're not thinking in terms of minutes of video. You're thinking in terms of how many variations you can generate and test. Because in e-commerce, you're not trying to make one perfect video. You're trying to find the one that hits. That's exactly what Creatify is optimized for. So which tool actually wins this showdown? The honest answer is that it depends entirely on what you're trying to sell. If you're a B2B software company or a massive corporation building internal human resources training, Synthesia is the clear winner. The avatars are incredibly professional. It builds corporate authority and trust. But if you're an e-commerce brand selling physical products, then Creatify wins hands down. Creatify was engineered from the ground up to solve the specific pain point of direct-to-consumer advertising. The URL to video workflow saves hours of manual labor. But most importantly, the casual selfie-style avatars naturally blend into the feeds of TikTok and Instagram. They look like user-generated content, which drastically lowers your cost per click. It allows a solo founder to test 20 different ad variations by Friday without ever touching a camera or hiring an actor. So if you want to get started with either of these platforms, you'll find links down in the description below. Creatify is currently offering 10 free credits when you sign up today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you here in the next video.